Hello, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So today we are going to trade another London open session. So I'm going to start with the top-down analysis, then I'm going to get to the news and our trade idea for today. All right, let's get into it. So as we can see, gold is currently we are bearish candle on the weekly time frame, and it's trying to flip bullish to the upside to fill this week, which around like 232 pips. So that's what we are anticipating for today. There is only 15 hours. Oh, so today is Friday. By the way, there's only 15 hours left for this day to close. So Friday expecting it's most of Fridays are high volatility days. So I'm really expecting this candle to flip and fill this candle right about here. Let me mark this real quick. All right. And then on the daily, we are extremely bullish for the last 3 days, 1, 2, 3 days. And we are bullish. So let's draw our resistance line. We have a little support over here and resistance over there. Up, we have one here and one here to our profit target exactly on the daily. So on the 4-hour time frame, we can see we are still extremely bullish also for the last 1, 2, 3, and this is the fourth 4-hour candle. Okay, so we have like a little pattern over here. I think it's a bullish flag pattern. I don't really trade patterns, but I just like to draw them sometimes to help you with the trend. So as we can see, we got a clear retest over here and then went up. Gold went up to this resistance area. I think it's a major resistance. So why is it a major resistance area? I'm gonna tell you guys right now why this area is a major resistance. So as we can see, the price tapped here and then rejected, tapped here also, rejected second time, tapped here, went up. So third, like here, fourth, fifth time, rejected also this week. Here also rejected, rejected, rejected. Look how many times it's rejected from this area. It's around 3,344. So we have this main, like we can call it area of interest, like other peoples do. Oh, look at that candle. This 1-hour candle just didn't create any bottom wick. It's around 100 pip. 1-hour candle. That's mean. What does that mean, guys? Exactly. Crazy volume. It is Friday, as I said, and we are expecting high volume because most Fridays are extremely high volume day. So we can see on the lower time frame, price created resistance over here, then created support over here, and then it's going to our area of interest. So I believe it flipped already on the weekly or not yet. Oh no, from here, so it will flip here. This is the flip on the weekly. Let me mark it real quick. So if it flip from here, I'm expecting this to go like highway till here around 200 pips. Oh, this candle. So maybe if we got any closure above this area, like look like this closure, price created a wick and then went straight up. This closure, but it didn't break above the wick. This one, no. Maybe this one closed above. Okay, so let's see, guys. We are gonna see, follow the lower time frame, the volume, how the price react to this area. But we are mostly looking for buys above, buys above. So it's not necessarily closure. So maybe price can go up and come back down, create a little resistance like this, and then when it breaks above it, I mean support like this, and then when it breaks above it, we have, oh, that's not a clean range actually. It's kind of choppy. To be honest with you guys, it's kind of choppy. So, and I don't like choppy ranges. 60, 70, yeah. But look, when the price last time broke above this area, so it broke and closed, then it went back. Next, the second closure, look, it went straight up. Boom, boom, 200 pips. As we can see here also. So try to close the above and boom, another 200 pips. Here also, close the above, created support. That's exactly what I'm looking for. So close above like this. This is nice volume, and yeah, we're just looking for close above and boom, 200 pips, 250 pips. Okay, but let's not get excited. I'm just looking for something small, like maybe 15 to 20 pips. That is what I'm looking for. That's how you can be profitable in the market for a long term. I'm not looking for anything big or to catch like a big move or something. I'm just looking to create small, consistent gains every day. Yeah, that's what you are in the market for. You're not here to hit a home run, because the more you try to hit a home run, the more it will not work for you. So I believe if we created a bottom wick for this 4-hour candle, this is the only thing I'm worrying about, is this candle didn't have a bottom wick right here. So I'm gonna draw it for you so you know what is a bottom wick is this. So here it didn't have a bottom wick. That's why I'm just cautious at the moment, like this week. Look how big is this previous 4-hour candle. Boom, 50 pips. The previous one, boom, 39, like 40 pips. So this is what I'm cautious about. This one didn't create, but still. So we prefer to see actually a lower wick, because there was one, two, three. This is the fourth 4-hour candle of continuous movement to the upside, and price already moved for today around 270 pips. So yeah, let's wait and see what will happen. This looks like a nice closure. Maybe I'm pretty sure like price will keep going to this area, but it's kind of dangerous to take the trade from here, and this stop loss will be like very big. So I just prefer to wait. It's always a good idea to wait. Doesn't matter if you are late or if you are missed a trade or setup. It's always the best to just wait, guys. Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna watch price for a maybe few minutes, and if anything interesting showed up, I'm gonna come back into you. So you don't have to watch all this boring stuff. Alright guys, so as I see here that this candle created a bottom wick and it closed bullish engulfing, and I'm anticipating it to go and fill this week. On the 1 hour time frame, I'm gonna leave my stop loss around 10-12 pips. So I took this trade. Now anticipating the volume and the price to continue moving up, and so the stop loss will be around 15 pips, 10, 15 maybe. Oh, I think I took this trade a little bit early because it could go to fill this week and then come back. Oh man, I don't know, that's bad. That sucks now. So if it went to this week, if it broke below, I think I will close. Oh, that's a big stop loss. I'm gonna just place it, yep, around here on the 5 minutes. Yeah, breaking off this week. That's around 2%. So I was busy writing something. That's why and the recording is not a good idea to do it while trading, because not thinking cautiously. I believe I should close half of this position. Mm, it's already late. So if it rebroke the highs, yeah, I'm going to close half like this. Yep, that's almost 1%. I thought because this closed as a bullish engulfing, that will create a little wick and then will go continue to fill this week, because we have now a clean range to the upside and it's volume time. But I think the issue is that still this candle doesn't have any wick, so that's why I should have waited probably to create maybe to fill this area or create a lower wick, something like that. It's fine. I still believe in this trade idea. Because it's a new 1 hour, I believe I should have waited for yeah, the bottom wick to form to see if it will break this or just go and re-break the highs and enter on the re-break of the highs. Yeah, like right round maybe here. Right? Yeah, here, where it is totally a free, clean range to the upside. So I think fine. Keep the 5 minute candle. Oh, that's not really good. I think I just want to close it right here. Cut it short. 15, 16 pips. Yeah, but the thing is that this red candle didn't break below the previous, and I believe this resistance line is wrong. It should be here, right? Yeah, but when you look at the hourly time frame, it created a little over here, like created the resistance and then break above the resistance. Mm, that's how I see it. Yeah, it's okay. Let's just wait and see. So if this hourly candle flipped, I think I'm gonna add my risk back to the position, and yeah, let's see what happened. It's kind of choppy, and I think I got confused. I did over analyzing, maybe over analysis. Yeah, now this is a nice bottom wick. So around like 7 minutes. Yeah, I believe we should have waited. So I just rushed into the trade again. I rushed it and it was kind of big. Not that big. I think it's normal stop loss, but it can be hit at any time. So this is the issue. I should have just waited for 1 hour to create a bottom wick and then entered on the flip, or waited for the next 15 minutes maybe. So if this 15 minutes could close above here, this will be like resistance. I like how this is looking on the 5 minutes time frame. If this closed here, I believe it will go to fill the wick, like right here. Okay, let's see. It's re-breaking the highs. So there, where I should enter this there, here, exactly. Oh, but I entered the same spot. Huh? Weird. I entered at the same spot, but it was a little bit early. Yep, yep. It was just a little bit early. So look, after I entered, the price went down, and then now it's here re-breaking the highs of the 1 hour. Mhm. Yeah, I should have waited like around, it was 7, 8 minutes for this bottom candle to be formed. And if I waited, I believe I wouldn't have cut half of my trade. So now if it retests below this area, I think I'm gonna close my trade fully. Yep. Nice, nice. I think this 5 minute candle closure will close above here and 3335. Yeah, amazing. Yeah, maybe I will add back half of my risk, 0.15. Can it create a more bottom wick? Bottom wick till here. Uh, yeah, so I believe I should have just waited for the bottom wick to form. This is really important, guys, and I keep missing it. What now is good. I'm recording these videos to review my mistakes, and you can learn also from my mistakes. Yeah, this is amazing. Yeah, so this is basically the main idea of the trade, that we got a closure above the resistance on the 1 hour time frame, and there is a wick. If there is a wick, there is like an 80% chance for the price to fill the wick. Yeah, and yeah, and as we said on the weekly, we are bearish. We are probably going to fill this week or for like 200 pips. So yeah, I'm just waiting and let's see. So we probably have a clean range till this area over here. And now London is approaching in about like 50 minutes, 49 minutes now. London open. Mm, thinking of moving my take profit from here to this second rejection area. Yeah, let's wait for the 15-minute candle to close. Let's see how it closes. So if it closed above, that means the price really created a support at this area. Now I believe it's just a clean range till here. 3341.6, and it's moving really nicely. Yeah, just patience, patience, patience. So the lesson I have learned today is just a little bit more patience. So I know I was patient and I waited for this candle to close, but I needed a little bit more patience. To be exact, 5 to 7 minutes I needed to wait for this candle. So in the 5 minutes it's more clearer. So I entered here on this candle, but I should have waited for the rebreak of it. Here, should have entered here. Stop loss below this area of 21, 22 pips. Yeah. So now I'm gonna wait for the 15-minute candle to close, and then if there is more opportunity, maybe I'm gonna enter with another uh, half percent risk. I believe I already lost like that's around almost 1% today. So, but it's not done yet. The thing I heard about this area is that this is like a really, really choppy area over here. Look, look how choppy this is. Many wicks. That's a lot of wicks, and I don't like that. like the next resistance and then the one after it. This, I believe this will be the final take profit, but because we are half risk, that's why I have to wait. Otherwise, I would have just closed my position at 20, 25 pips. So would have been like up to 2.5% at the moment if I didn't close half my position. Sometimes I believe I over manage my trades and I should fix that. Oh, but this is because that I just entered a bit early, so I need to write it down. It's really important to journal this stuff, guys. So today it's 7-11. So 15-minute candle closed. Oh, nice. That's huge. It's amazing. I believe I would secure this. I actually wanted to secure on the top, but it's like really rejecting now. So I will just wait a little bit more. And yeah, so I believe today is a really good volume day. The trend is extremely bearish, and it can honestly it can like go till this area to fill our target, weekly target. Nice, nice. Come on. I believe it can hit my take profit. Just need a little bit more, like, oh, 30 pips. Oh no, man, that's okay, okay. Maybe I will just close on the fill of the week. Come on, I like this I like this volatility. I like this volume. Yeah, I'm just gonna secure here because it's closing to the top of the week. I believe we secured around, yeah, 58, 59 pips. Not a big deal. How much we got percentage for the day? Oh, this is around 2%. Yeah, that's nice. Actually, this could have been like, no, no, we cannot say that. You know why? Because if I said it could have been and could have and could would, this thing doesn't work in trading. So it is what it is. Because if I was full risk, I would have closed exactly at like 20, 25 pips max, you know. But it was a good day. We followed our rules, but I was not enough patient. If you guys are watching this, thank you, and I appreciate you. I hope everyone be a successful trader soon and make a lot of money. All right, guys, have a good day.